In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. In part 1, we learned about the early history of Palestine. How did the land of prophets? But what happened next? How did Palestine move from Islamic rule to European control? How did the land of prophets become a land of conflict? But what happened too? The story of the Crusades. The story of Salahuddin Ayyubi. The story of Muslim unity and division. This is the story of European betrayal, the story of Zionism, the story of the Balfour Declaration, the story of the British occupation. How did the land of peace become a land of conflict?
In the 8th century, Caliph Walid ibn Abdul Malik undertook a grand expansion. He beautified Al-Masjid al-Aqsa with exquisite mosaics and gold. He made it a center of worship. Ibn Abdul Malik undertook a grand expansion, a center of Islamic civilization. The administrative and architectural contributions of the Umayyads and Abbasids were immense. They built schools, they built hospitals, they built libraries. They made Jerusalem a... Early Islamic rule in Jerusalem was pluralistic and tolerant. Muslim rulers showed deep respect toward Christian holy sites. They protected synagogues and churches alike. This was Islamic rule, not oppression, not destruction, but justice, tolerance, coexistence. For hundreds of years, under Islamic rule, all people lived in peace. Muslims, Christians, Jews, all were free to worship,